Technology is critical in the supply chain industry. Hi everyone, I'm Karina Sullivan. You're watching MODEX Live, powered by MHI. And joining me now is Nitesh Arora with Cloudleaf. Hi Nitesh, how are you today?
Hi, thanks Karina, thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so much for joining us. Tell us about how Cloudleaf in particular is making an impact on the supply chain industry.
For sure. So when you think about supply chain, right, the biggest thing that every customer is looking for is digitizing the supply chain. And how do you digitize the supply chain? Because there are so many moving pieces in supply chain. So you have your factories, you have your distributors, you have everything in the middle. Customers are looking for one solution that will enable tracking of their assets in real time and in a continuous fashion on a 24/7 basis. They're fed up of spotty technologies where somebody has to go in and scan or something has to pass through a reader to pick up, right? So what we have done is we have our patented technology, which is like 40 plus patents that we have filed. This is one of our sensors, and we have a family of sensors. This sensor can track location, both indoors and outdoors. It gives you a 3 to 5 year battery life, which makes digitizing supply chain operationally viable. And it also captures condition and the flow of the data as the assets are moving throughout your supply chain. So think about a pallet, a sensor attached to a pallet. Pallet may be sitting in a warehouse. You can do automatic counts on the pallet as it moves outdoors. As it's on a truck, as it has a product on it, you can measure the location, you can measure the condition, and you can measure as to where it is at any given point of time. So for our customers, predominantly they are in the pharmaceutical industries, industrial manufacturing, and logistics. They take our sensors, deploy it in no time, so it takes barely a day or 2 days, depending on the volume, to deploy our solution, and they are up and running. And what we have done is we are offering an end-to-end solution, so it's just not hardware, it's both hardware, cloud, and applications. So customers deploy this, they start seeing real-time insights into their operations through our purpose-built dashboards, and basically digitizing their supply chains.
So tell us, is this expensive, this technology for businesses?
Yeah, it's actually very cost effective, right? If you think about the existing technologies, what customers are trying to do with RFIDs or barcodes, it's very costly because you have to deploy all these costly sensors, and the sensors are very expensive depending on active or passive RFID. The readers are also expensive. For us, the infrastructure is very low because the gateways that we have offer 70,000 square foot coverage. They track 250 sensors every second, and it's very economical, right? If you think about the battery life and the impact it has on your supply chain, both indoors and outdoors, it's super cost effective for our customers to adopt.
Anything else that you'd like to add to encourage attendees to come on by and have a conversation?
To kind of showcase our solution, so we have a full demo that we can talk through and show how we solve certain problems for the industrial manufacturing, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, industries in general. So we can give you a quick overview as to what our technology does and how we are solving it for some marquee customers.
Nitesh, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Appreciate your time.
Appreciate you. Nitesh Arora with Cloudleaf. I'm Karina Sullivan with MODEX Live, powered by MHI. We'll see you again soon.